Welcome. In front of me is a REALME Pad, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this tablet. So to get started, you will want to hold the power key right here and then select power off. And once the device turns off, simply hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. As you will see, there will be a boot mode appearing on the screen. So to navigate through this mode, in order so you can select the first option, if you scrolled down by mistake, is use volume up to navigate through the options, as you can see. And make sure that the first one is selected, and then press volume down to confirm it. Now give it a second and we should see in a moment Android with no command. There we go. So to get past this, what you can see right here, you simply hold power key and press volume up once, and this will take you to the recovery mode. Now in here, again using volume keys, now this time around you can use both of them, as you can see. You want to select wipe cache partition and then press power key, confirm it, select yes, and there we go. Now it will automatically select reboot system now to leave it. Additionally, before I actually accept it, I'm gonna move the tablet below so you can see at the bottom we have this dialog box. So we have wipe cache, formatting cache, and then cache wipe complete. So there we go. It tells us at the bottom that it's been finished. So we can press power key to go to reboot the system, and this will take us back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.